In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your Base44 app to the Google Play Store. So I'll show you all the steps you need to take in order to do this, and Base44 doesn't yet have this as a native built-in feature, so you will be using a different service that I'll show you in this video. So first of all, you just want to go and open up your Base44 app. Then here at the top, switch to a mobile view to check if it looks good. If it does, then that's fine. If it doesn't, you want to go and ask it to change stuff around. For example, here these circles are too big, so I would just ask it to make it more mobile optimized and to have all the sizing be correct for mobile. So then after you've done that, what you want to go and do is just publish your app. So here click publish, and this will publish it as a web app. Now from there you want to click on share, and here just copy the URL of your app. Now after you copy the URL, you then want to go to this website called appmyweb.net. So this is basically a tool, and the only thing it does is it turns your website into a mobile app that you can actually publish on the Play Store and App Store. So just click get started for free and create an account. After doing that, for you this will be empty and just click create new app, otherwise click create new app right there. And for the app name, just give it the name you want to publish it under. And then what you can do is set the link to your website, so what you just copied from Base44 should go in here. Then for your theme color, basically what you want to do is just look at your app and see the theme color. Now this one doesn't really have one, but you can just select one if it does have one for you. But for example, I'll set this one to blue. Then for your layout template, which is this section here, you have different types of layouts, so drawer in bar, tabs and bar, just a bar, blank. For example, drawer and bar is when you have the three lines in the top left and you can click on them in order to open up a menu. Now mine here just is one basic page, so for me it's going to be blank, but just select the one that is best for your app and that matches your app right here. Then click continue, and it will then set up the app right here. Now what you can do first is click run preview, and then it's installing the app. So it uses Expo Go, just click on open right there, and you can also preview it on Android if you want, which is better if you want to use it for the Play Store. So just set it to Android at the top, and then here it should show the app from Base44. Now after you do that, you want to go through your app settings here. So you have your design, where you can set your theme color, you can set your drawer, you can set your styles, and everything can be customized from in here. Then here you have your permissions, so geolocation, camera, microphone. If you need these for your app, you need to turn those on. Then for your navigation, same here, you can add an item, you can add your bar buttons, you have localization, splash screen, and here you can upload the icon for your app, which will be used in the Play Store. Then here you have services such as app download, push newsletter, and a key manager. So you can use this if you want, but from here what you will need to do is click unlock all features. This is not completely free, but it's pretty cheap. You need the starter monthly plan, where you can already publish to Android, which is the Play Store, and this is going to cost you $39 per month, and here you can already push it. So you want to click start with starter, and from there just get the starter plan, and then after you do that, you will then have a section where you can actually publish it to the Play Store. So that's how you can publish a Base44 app to the Play Store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.